are.
The National Weather Service in Eureka has issued a tornado warning for south central Humboldt County in northwestern California until 11:30 a.m. At 11:18 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Shelter Cove, moving north at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Shelter Cove and Edisburg. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
That you have one memory.
Lake, where fishermen...
This is a flash flood warning for the following county: Humboldt, California. The National Weather Service in Eureka has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Humboldt County in northwestern California until 4:30 p.m. At 12:24 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 2 minutes. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Honeydew, Rio Del, Petrolia, Scotia, Pepperwood, Bull Creek, Cape Town, and Shively. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
You can